Welcome to Career Spotlight Academy. We're excited to have you join our platform and start exploring the career possibilities that await. In this onboarding video, we'll give you a quick overview of the Academy and walk you through some essential features to get started. Career Spotlight Academy was designed to prepare students for the real world, providing tools, resources, and interactive scenarios that go beyond traditional classroom learning. Here, you'll have access to a range of features to help you discover, build, and refine the skills needed for today's top careers. First, we have Luna, our AI tutor. Luna is here to support you with academic help, guiding you through problem-solving steps rather than simply giving you answers. This way, you develop a deeper understanding of each subject and build valuable problem-solving skills. Then meet Liz, our AI mentor. Liz is here to offer personalized mentorship on soft skills, professional development, and insights into career paths, answering questions and offering advice along the way. With Liz, you can get ready for everything from interview prep to networking skills. Our Life Simulator is another powerful tool, putting you in real-life scenarios to make practical decisions, see their impact, and learn from the experience. Plus, each completed scenario earns points toward our leaderboard, where students and schools can compete for top ranks and recognition. It's a fun and interactive way to gain real-world knowledge. Hank, our AI career advisor, helps you create a career path that aligns with your goals and interests. After answering a few questions, Hank provides a customized roadmap to your chosen career, from necessary education and skills to potential timelines. If you're still figuring out your career, Hank is a great starting point. As you start using Career Spotlight Academy, you'll also find resources like our resource library with valuable links and our weekly STEM and entrepreneurship podcast covering career stories, industry insights, and tips for success. For schools participating in our pilot program, we recommend having students complete our weekly and pre/post-program questionnaires. These responses will give you a clear look at student engagement and progress while helping us improve the experience for everyone. We're proud to offer a unique privacy-focused platform that doesn't data mine students, focusing instead on giving you the most meaningful career guidance. You can save your progress, explore as many scenarios as you want, and personalize your journey. Thank you for choosing Career Spotlight Academy. We're excited to support your path to a successful career and look forward to helping you take your learning to the next level. Dive in, explore, and let's get started on building the future you're aiming for.